Dude, they're playing some beautiful Hispanic music. Chris says, I'll be home in 20. Platt's playing CS for a few hours, I think. Maybe he can meet us at Pearl Street.
What did I do? What?
Yeah, go. Hello?
What's up? Yo. Okay, I was asking, I'm driving home right now. Are we just meeting at the place? You want me to, should I drive over to Dylan's? You guys want to come to my place? What's up? Ace is like busy right now, right?
Ace is busy. When does it start? Do you know when it starts?
I think the door's already open.
Doors are...
Pretty cool.
I'm in.
You're in.
Don't even alert that.
What's your major? Oh, that's cool. That's really cool.
Oh, my mom's a nurse.
My mom's a nurse, yeah.
What are you going to be tonight in the face of women?
I'm gonna be ruthless. Look at this cam.
Look at this.
I got to get a shot of this gamer kid in here.
It's really cool laugh.
Wait, let me get a little, can I get some of you?
Yeah. Yeah, it's cool.
What shoes?
They don't make us like that.
Nothing. He's going in the socks to see the Spitz.
Forward yours.
What?
Oh, we still got some good on it.
Got everything on.
Since they might be back.
You can toss a quarter on that bag. They put Vivo in the sky.
They're kind of a wretched beast.
Fuck what you heard.
Put them right there. You got one right there.
34.
How long have we been waiting?
We've been waiting for about an hour and a half now, outside of Pearl Street Co-op.
Somebody wants to hop back on CS.
Everyone's yelling.
Hey, what's your catchphrase?
Swag.
Swag? Okay, solid. Solid. Have you...
That's our guy. You're in. Class.
We made it out the trenches!
Dylan owes me $10.
He's single. What's up, bro?
What's going on?
Go swim. We're trying to get Dylan to shoot a shot. He's fresh off the hood, fresh off the in the sea, in the ocean.
It's really fucking hot.
last concert they said.
No, it's not. I'm seeing them in a month.
No, over here.
In Austin.
Whoever smoked is a dickhead!
Fucking bullshit, y'all. What's up, man?
I love Main Street.
Early, go to the Oxus parking lot. Get out of the way of the fire department.
Take a little picture.
You should get it. I want to get a picture with the person in the fire truck.
The firefighter?
Yeah, the firefighter in the front.
Dude, I fumbled. I got no game.
That's okay.
But you know what Pius told me? What did you tell me? What did you tell me when I said I'm having an existential crisis and I'm fumbling?
Fuck what you heard.
What did you
It's
tell
our first quarter of the first quarter.
Speak to it. Hey,
I'm gonna listen to Spitz on
they
Spotify
were
tonight.
genuinely the best performance. Like, not.
I guess this video will have to be called Fire Alarm too.
Yeah, of course.
Oh, is there another video for Sparla?
Random people again.
Yeah, of course.
I get the over salad or over rice?
Whatever makes you happy.
With salad.
It's healthier.
Well, right? What you need, calories? You need your beans.
What the fuck?
Hot. It's hot, bro.
That's really good. Yeah.
You gotta make like a photography collection over there. I want to see like it's like an art piece. So just like once a day.
That's awesome! Can I get some? How much? How much for that?
Here, Instagram.
Oh, that's so cheap. Are they cheap though?
They're not.
No. No, because I always see on eBay they're like $500. I'm like,
What?
fuck that, bro.
No, it's not 500.
Okay, how much, bro?
It's 150.
I just bought these though. Like I kind of know.
What? Yeah. Because I gotta import it.
Yeah, that's pretty chill though. You chill as fuck for that.
Thank you.
That's like
That American pipeline first.
Huh?
I'm gonna check the American pipeline.
Yeah, no, you're not gonna get American Pipeline.
Hey, what?
for-
Wait, not American Pipeline. What's the one thing? The stupid one. It's like he's a real memer. American Pipe Dream.
Americana Pipe Dream?
Americana Pipe Dream.
Yeah.
He's tripping, bro. He got like all that crazy camo and shit. I never.
You got fucking Serbian.
I would buy from him because he has cool.
What? So I just.
What do you tell him?
How it tastes.
Wait, I'm so good. I'm goated. Wait.
I gotta text my girlfriend back. Hold on.
I can tell by the way you look. You got a Midwest family.
I do not have a mid. I have a mid family. I come from a very mid family.
I'm proud of your heritage.
Yeah. What? I'm just literally chilling.
On monkeys, right?
I need to spend less time in time sinks. I need to fix my attachment style. I'm very avoidant.
Avoidant. Tell me about avoidant, because I remember the video.
Did you watch the attachment styles video? It's like
I know about it because
I linked it to Hudson. I linked it today. Oh, the Heidi one, that lady.
Yeah.
She's pretty shit. I like her videos. I don't know. I can't. I don't have good dates. You know. I don't allow myself that.
I feel like you've been on a few dates, and I've heard about them, and you're always like, nope, she's just not.
It's true.
Would you say you're more picky? You're too picky, or is it like?
Surprised you push it away. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Like that one girl that was trying to meet up with your dad one night. I can drive in home class.
I think people who met are like.
Can't take these boys anywhere.
It's so good. It's so yummy.
Can't take them anywhere.
Like it burns. It's carbonated.
Look at it. It's Buddha, I think.
That was it really?
Buddhist, I think so. It should show. We can see these cakes.
It's so good. That was like covered.
Are we going back to? Yeah, we can just bring the glass cups down if you want.
The ball trick. Okay, my bad. No,
Tell me you're recording. Tell me you're recording.
Why, yes I am.
She's nice. She's so nice.
She's really nice.
The bald chick?
She's genuinely so nice.
She was really into class.
What? Oh.
She's pretty too.
Do you fuck with bald bitches?
She's not bald.
Make them dance.
Make him dance.
Make him dance, bro.
Do that shit Hudson does.
Yeah.
I'm Glasses Toes. I'm Glasses Toes. I did 9/11. I'm Glasses Toes. I'm responsible for the terrorist attacks on September 11th, 2001.
That's why he wears the service cheetahs.
Huh? What's up, man? I'm trapped in. Wait. I have a good bit.
Okay.
I'm trapped in an underwater prison.
It's so fucking stupid.
It's like.
That's not even your bit either. That's been done before. That's been. We've been doing that bit for like 2 years now. Is it good night?
It's a great night. I love you guys.
No, I mean like, can we leave now?
Yeah. I swear, next time I make a move, I swear to you.
We're holding you accountable to that. The entire Friendship City Unlimited fan base.
She literally told me. She told me she wants you. I don't know.
Jiminy Cricket.
Come on, dude.
Yeah, no one downstairs.
Fun tonight, man. Oh shit.
Later.
Bye.